baby. What?
Does anyone else have a cat that walks the same path every day to where there's marks in the carpet?
And we are live from Sky Fox 1. Crackhead on the loose. Last seen smoking crystal meth out of a Pepsi can. Drives directly into a tree. Police are surrounding him, and I think that's all she wrote. My goodness, is he fucked up. He looks like fucking Frankenstein.
Hey, Stash. You ready for some dinner? Okay. I got a treat for you. Okay. Hey, Teddy. Hi, baby. Hi.
Hey, yo, rich cat check. Meow, 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 meow. I am spoiled kitty. I'm a kitty who takes everything for granted. I love you, doll. I'm sorry. Come here.
Know that you are good enough. Please don't give up.
Si tú tienes muchas ganas de hacer miau. Si tú tienes muchas ganas de hacer miau. Si tú tienes la razón y no hay oposición, no te quedes con las ganas de hacer miau.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
I'm coming.
Oh my God. You're fine.
Dogs are like, this person feeds me, waters me, pets me. They must be God. Cats are like, this person feeds me, waters me, pets me. I must be God.
You are my best friend, my only best friend. You make me happy, best friend. My guys are best friend.
My cat's first time in a swimming pool.
Hey there. What do you think? एक और पंप को बहुत
That is rude. That is rude. Stop. You.
color.
I love you.
I really wish you would stop sitting up there because you've tried and you've fallen twice and caught yourself. So, not on the socks. Oh, God. Literally doesn't care. Oh, my God. Percy. Oh, my God. Percy.
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life, it's kind of crazy.
Want a small banana? Hey!